Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. As promised, this is my 6-month weight loss update, and we would like to thank 310 Nutrition for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into what I've got going on right now. So first thing, let's talk about hair loss. It's been on my mind. It's been on everyone else's mind. I get lots of questions about it. It has slowed down drastically.
It's really, like, this is the best your hair's looked, I think.
Look at that.
Wow.
Like, back in action. I think between upping my protein and then just naturally, as my doctor said, there is, everybody's going to say, oh, we have this supplement or we have that supplement. Nothing worked, but he said it's naturally just going to stop happening. And so it definitely has slowed down a lot. So we're happy to announce that. Second big question, how much have you lost? I am down 85 pounds. I've been stuck here for a little while now, but according to my doctor, at the weight I was when I first started, I should be losing 100 pounds by my 1-year mark. So to be down 85 pounds at 6 months, he's happy and I'm happy. One of the things that I love is it's not a set diet. And that's what I really want to get across in this video is everybody asks, like, what do you eat? What's different? So at the beginning, it was so hard, you guys, like way harder than I ever expected it to be. But 6 months in, I have adjusted to my new lifestyle and it's amazing. And I'm so happy and I have zero regrets. One of the things that really didn't work for me was eating breakfast. I've never been a breakfast person. And that was my one thing. My doctor's like, you have to start your day off with something. So that's when I fell in love with 310 Nutrition. Obviously, I'm busy in the morning. I don't like to eat. But I like to make my shakes and then take them in the car when I'm dropping my daughter off at school. It gives me about 45 minutes to drink the shake. The one I make is 12 ounces. I'm able to drink about 8 ounces of that, and it fills me up so much. There are so many recipes on the website, but I honestly just like it with water. So it's up to you. They have so many options. You can add almond milk to it if you would like. I'm really enjoying this and it's super convenient. And that's what is so important for me. And I think that's really what makes weight loss successful. So if you want to get 60% off, go ahead and check out the link down below that I will provide. It's a great kit for you to get started. If you are keto, if you're not keto, but maybe you're thinking about it, it has no sugar, guys, 2 net carbs in a serving. And I am loving it. I really, really am. Other than just weight loss and my hair and the physical parts, how am I doing mentally and how has this changed my life? That's really what I want to focus on for 6 months. It has mentally changed me to know that I can do so much more than I could before. You guys have commented on it before. Asa actually, he and I talked the other night and he was talking about how he used to edit me out when I would walk up and down stairs because I was so out of breath. I don't have that now. So that's awesome. Just feeling better. I mean, I'm only 38 years old and I was achy and, just all the things that go with being overweight and not even realizing it at the time. So I'm loving that aspect. And guys, I just had a checkup for life insurance. And so we had a nurse come out and she did my blood work and I got my numbers back and all of my numbers are in normal range. Every single one of them. So if that's not saying how successful I've been so far, I don't know what is. So I'm super excited. One of the things I do want to tell you guys is your doctor may do things differently, okay? And I've learned this from the Facebook pages that have like the bariatric weight loss forums on there, and you just need to follow whatever it is your doctor's telling you to do. My doctor's going to tell me different things. Your doctor could be the same and he could tell you to do something different than another patient. So just follow the rules and the regulations and whatever he's put into place for you. and you should be successful. But if you are looking into this, know that it is a tool. You still have to work at it. It is not going to automatically happen. And a lot of it, guys, is mental. It is all up here. It's psychological. And you have to work through those hard parts. But I promise you, it's so worth it. Abigail and Isaiah deserve to have me around for as long as I can be here, and I could not be happier. Thank you guys so much. We will see you in a few months for another update. Bye, guys. So much fun. So for me, scooter riding is the non-scale victory, because I would have never even attempted that before weight loss. So super excited, so much fun.